Alright, here's a quick video. Got a trailer tire here. I hit a nail a couple years ago. I was in a hurry, I just replaced it with a plug. Well, after a couple years of sitting through the weather, that plug has started to leak. I brought it to Discount Tire. They've got free flat repair, and they said that since it's already been plugged, they won't fix it for me. So I'll show you in this video how we can get around that. So for tools, I've got a pair of pliers, I got a screwdriver, I got an old screw. I just hit the top of it with an angle grinder so it looks a little used and worn out. Well, all I'm going to do is take this screw right here, stick it in the same spot, push the plug into the tire and bring it with a screw head in there. And after I do that, Discount Tire will then say, oh, there's a screw in the tire and I can fix it, rather than saying, oh, I can't fix it because it's plugged. So I got it started, just finish screwing it in all the way. Oh, just like that. Oh man, I got a screw in my tire. Well, I better bring this into Discount Tire to get fixed. Let's get this loaded up. Brought to you by Dodge Ram Pickups. Made it to Discount Tire. Time to drop the tire off. Oh, there she goes to get fixed. Yeah, you know, overall, Dodge Ram truck does work all right. As soon as you get rid of the annoying cup holder light, sits up there. As soon as you remove the tailgate locking feature that doesn't allow you to open up the tailgate unless your vehicle is unlocked, which seems silly. Add some stiffer springs in the back so that you don't squat your truck anytime you hook up a trailer. Raise the front end so it doesn't look like you're driving a lowrider around. You know, fix your exhaust headers because they're either going to crack or warp depending on the year. Put a louder muffler on so you can hear it actually when you're driving. Remove the TPMS warning lights and sensors. Add a front hitch. Add some brighter bulbs instead of the stock bulbs. Get rid of the annoying MDS feature. Tint your windows to get rid of the stock tint. So just pick the tire up from Tires Plus. Just looks all right. So here we go. They've repaired it, patched it up. New valve stem. And balanced. It's good to go.